Dear students, I welcome you all to my channels. So here is video for you on the topic arithmetic progressions in continuation with the previous video. So the question here is fill in the blanks in the following tables given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and A and the nth term on AP. तो ये टेबल बना हुआ है A, D एंड ए एन. सो जहाँ जहाँ भी इसमें ब्लैंक्स हैं वो हमें इसमें भरने हैं. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ए एन फर्स्ट टर्म इज 7, डी इज 3 एंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज 8. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ए एन. सो ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. So substituting the values of the given values, 7 plus n is 8 minus 1, d is 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, so that comes equal to 28. So an comes 28. तो यहाँ जाएगा 28. Second part, A is minus 18, A is equal to minus 18, D we have to find out. So n is 10 and an is 0. So using the formula, same formula, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is 0, A is minus 18 plus n is 10 minus 1 into D. 0 minus 18 plus 9 into D. So 0 minus 18 plus 9D. तो 18 को इधर करें तो ये हो गया 18 इज इक्वल टू 9D. सो D की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. सो D इज इक्वल टू 18 डिवाइड बाई 9, दैट इज इक्वल टू, सो D इज इक्वल टू 2. तो यहाँ पर आ गया 2. थर्ड पार्ट, A we have to find out. D is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18 and an is equal to minus 5. So use the same formula, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is minus 5, A plus n is 18 minus 1 and D is minus 5. तो minus 5 A plus 17 into minus 5. So A minus 85 is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 और 85 इधर आ गया तो हो गया 85 is equal to A. तो A becomes 80. तो A की वैल्यू आई 18. तो यहाँ आ गया 80. फोर्थ पार्ट, A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5 and n we have to find out. an is 3.6. So using the same formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So substituting the values, 3.6, A is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, we have to find the value of n, and d is 3.6. So 18.9 माइनस में पहले इधर करेंगे तो 3.6 प्लस 18.9 इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 इंटू 3.6. इसको ऐड किया 6 प्लस 9 5 प्लस 18 प्लस 3 21 प्लस 1 22.5 इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 इंटू 3.6. So value of n minus 1 will be 22.5 divided by 3.6. (225 upon 36 is equal to 9 n minus 1. So divide करें 9 से. So value of d is actually 2.5. So 2.5. Make a correction here, 2.5. So it will be divided by 2.5. 25. तो 25 से इसको डिवाइड किया आ गया 9 इज इक्वल टू n माइनस 1. सो वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 10. सो ये वैल्यू आई 10. सो इसलिए बस ये ध्यान रहे कि इस वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करने में कहीं थोड़ी बहुत गलती अगर हो जाती है तो उसको दोबारा चेक कर लें, तो यही इसमें थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक हो जाती है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज choose the correct choice in the following. The first part is 30 term of the 10 7 4 is, first option is 27 77 minus 77 and d is minus 87. And the second part 11 term of the given AP minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 is 28 22 minus 38 and minus 48 is to 1 by 2. Solution, the first part given AP is 10 7 4. So A is 10. So D will be A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 10, that will be minus 3. So D is minus 3. So we have to find the 30th term. So N is 30. So AN, so A plus N minus 1 into D. So A30 is equal to A is 10, N is 30 minus 1 and D is minus 3. 10 plus 29 multiply minus 3. 10 minus 87, that is minus 77. 8th and 30th term is minus 77. The correct choice is C. The answer is C part. The second part, so given AP is minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 and so on. So A is minus 3. We have to find the 11th term. So N is 11. So D will be, common difference will be minus 1 upon 2 minus 3. So minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. LCM 2, so minus 1 plus 6. So D comes 5/2. The 11th term will be A11, A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting values, A here is minus 3 plus n is 11 minus 1 and D is 5/2. So minus 3 plus 10 into 5/2. So A11 and 11th term will be minus 3 plus 25, that will be 22. So correct choice is B. The answer is B. The next question. Here is the next question. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So I have written 3 parts. First part is 2, then blanks and 26. In second part, blank, 13, blank, 3. Third part, minus 4, missing term, missing term, missing term, missing term, or 6. So let us take first part. 2 and 26. So here the first term is A is 2. Second part A2 we have to find out, and A3 is 26. So the formula of A3 will be A plus 2D. Formula for A2 will be A plus D. And this is A plus 0D. So we have to write the A plus 2D is equal to 26, and A is substitute the value of given term here. A is 2 into D, 2D, and 26. So 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, 24. So value of D will be 24 divided by 2, that is 12. तो 2D is equal to 24, D is equal to 12. So D की वैल्यू हमारे पास कॉमन डिफरेंस आया है 12. So we have to find the A plus D, that is the second term. So A plus D will be, so A is 2 and D is 12, so that will be, and the second term will be 14. So here comes 14. The answer is 14. The second term, missing term is 14. Second part, is missing term, then 13, missing term, and 3. So A is not given, A2 is 13, A3 again not given, A4 is 3. So using the formula, so A plus 3D is equal to 3 and A plus D is equal to 13. अब इसमें से हम इसको माइनस करेंगे. सो A plus 3D is equal to 3 and A plus D 1D is equal to 13. So finding the difference, so minus minus minus. So 2D is equal to minus 10. So D will be minus 10 divided by 2, that is minus 5. The common difference here is minus 5. So substituting the value of D in the given equations, so therefore A plus D is equal to 13. So A plus D की वैल्यू आ गई -5 that is 13. So A will be 13 plus 5, 18. So A is 18 and the first term ये आ गई 18. अब हमें निकालनी थर्ड टर्म. So A plus 2D, that is the A3. The third term is given by the formula A plus 2D. So A is 18, 2 into D is minus 5, 18 minus 10, so that is 8. So A3 is 8. The two answers are 18 and 8. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 8. Next part. Next part third is the first term is minus 4, second term missing, and this is the sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 term. So A1 is minus 4, A2 not given, A3 not given, A4 again not given, A5 not given. So we have A6 is 6. So this is A plus 5D is equal to 6. So putting the value of A, so A plus 5D is equal to 6. So value of A is minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. So 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. So 5D is equal to 10. The value of D is 10 divided by 5, 2. So we have to find out substituting value of D and A in the for value of A2. So A2 will be, second term will be A plus 1D. So A is minus 4 and D is 2. So that comes equal to minus 2. So A2 is minus 2. तो यहाँ आ गया minus 2. Then A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 into 2, D is 2. So minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So ये आ गया 0. Then A4, A plus 3D, A is minus 4, 3 into 2, so minus 4 plus 6, that is 2. So ये आया 2. Fifth term, A5 is A plus 4D, so minus 4 plus 4 into 2, minus 4 plus 8, that is 4. तो A5 is 4. तो ये आ गया 4. इस तरह से 4 आंसर आए हमारे. सो आंसर चारों आंसर हैं -2, 0, -2, 0, 2 and 4. The second term -2, third term is 0, fourth term 2 and fifth term is 4. So next question. The next question is, which term of the AP, given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Next question, so check whether -150 is a term of the given AP 11, 8, 5, 2. So let us take the first question. The given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, 78. So A1 is 3, A2 is 8, and A3 is 13. And AN is 78. So we have to find first D. So D is A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3, that is 5. A is given, D have we find out. Then the AN is AN, the nth term is given 78. We have to find the value of n. So we know the formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 78, A is 3, n minus 1, D is 5. तो 3 को पहले इधर किया 78 माइनस 3, सो हो गया n माइनस 1 इंटू 5, 75 is equal to n minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5. तो 5 से इधर डिवाइड किया तो 75 डिवाइड बाई 5 is equal to n minus 1. तो ये आ गया 15 is equal to n minus 1. So value of n will be 15 plus 1, that n is equal to 16. So 78 is the 16th term. The answer for this question is 16. So next question. So next question is where the given AP is here. The given AP is equal to 11, 8, 5, 2. And the nth term given here is minus 150. So we have to check whether this minus 150 is the nth term of this AP is not. So A1 here is 11, A2 8, A3 5, A4 2. So D will be A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. So D is minus 3. So another term given here is minus 150. So AN will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 150, A here is 11, n minus 1, and D is minus 3. So 11 को इस तरफ करेंगे हम तो आ जाएगा पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई, तो पहले 11 को इधर क्या आ गया माइनस 11, इधर आ गया n माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 3. सो माइनस 3 से इसको हो गया 161 और इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया सो हो गया माइनस 3n प्लस 3. तो 3 को जब इधर किया तो आ गया माइनस 161 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3n. तो माइनस 164 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3n. सो n की वैल्यू आ गई 164 upon 3. It's a fraction. So n here cannot be a fraction. That is not a natural numbers. So 164 upon 3 is not a natural number. The value of n here cannot be a fraction. So therefore minus 150 is not the term of this given AP. So minus 150 cannot be any term of the given AP. The given AP here is 11, 8, 5 and 2. इस AP की ये जो है टर्म नहीं हो सकती. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Next question, if the third term and the 9th term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So we have to find the 30th term. On the 11th term, so A11, 11th term is 38 and A16th is 16th term is 73. So use the formula and we have to find the A31. So since A16 is 73, तो हो गया, इसके लिए इक्वेशन बन जाएगी A plus 15D is equal to 73. A11 is 38. So A plus 10D is 38. इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो माइनस, सो आ गया 5D is equal to 35. So D will be 35 divided by 5, that is 7. अब हमें निकालना, सो A की वैल्यू पहले निकालेंगे, उसके बाद 31st टर्म निकालेंगे. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ D इन दिस इक्वेशंस. हमारे पास दो इक्वेशन है, उनमें से किसी में भी इसकी वैल्यू अगर हम पुट करें तो A की वैल्यू x. सो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ 7 in A plus 15D is equal to 73. So A plus 15D is equal to 73. So A plus 15 into 7 is equal to 73. तो इससे आ गया A plus 105 is equal to 73. So A की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 73 minus 105 माइनस 32. 105 में से माइनस किया, 5 minus 3 2, 10 minus 7 is 3. So minus 32 is the first term. Then we have to find the 31st term. So and here is 31. So A31 will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is minus 32 and here is 31 minus 1, value of D is 7. So minus 32 plus 30 multiply 7 minus 32 and 210. 210 में से 32 माइनस किया 178. So A31st will be, the 31st term will be 178. The answer is 178. This is the answer for this question. Next question here is, if the third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8, which term is 0? A3 is 4, whereas A9, so ninth term is minus 8, as An is 0. So you have to find the value of n. एक तो n की वैल्यू निकालनी है, इसमें d भी निकालना, a भी निकालना. So using the formula for A3, so A3, A plus 2D is equal to 4, A plus 2D is equal to 4. So A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So since a plus 8d is equal to minus 8, a plus 2d is equal to 4. So 6d is equal to minus 12. So d will be minus 12 divided by 6 minus 2. अब इस d की वैल्यू हम इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे. सो a since a plus 2d is equal to 4. So a plus 2 into minus 2 4. So a minus 4 is equal to 4. So a will be 4 plus 4, that is 8. The first term here is 8. अब हमें given है a n is equal to 0. So value of n we have to find out. So stating the here, so a n is equal to 0. So हो गया a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So the a is 8, n minus 1, d, value of d is minus 2, that is equal to 0. So 8 को पहले इधर किया, so n minus 1 multiply by minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So minus 2 से multiply किया minus 2n plus 2 is equal to minus 8. So minus 2n 2 इधर किया तो हो गया minus 8 minus 2. तो minus 2n is equal to minus 10. तो 2n is equal to 10. n की वैल्यू आई 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So fifth term here is the fifth term is 0. So n is equal to 5. So given in the given AP, so fifth term is the value of fifth term is 0. Next question. दो क्वेश्चन और लूँ. Next question. So which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 38 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? मैंने यहाँ पर दो क्वेश्चन लिखे हैं. अब उसमें से पहला क्वेश्चन मैं ले रहा हूँ. So given AP is 3, 15, 27, 38. So here the first term is 3, second term is 15, third term 27. So difference will be common difference a2 minus a1, 15 minus 3, that is 12. So common difference for this AP is 12. And the which term we have to find the nth term. 54 term is given. A54 plus 132 is, well, that is an. Means nth term is 132 more than the 54 term. So A54 will be A plus 53D 132 is equal to an. अब हमने यहाँ पे d निकाल रखा है, तो वैल्यू ऑफ a here is 3. The first term is 3 plus 53d, d की वैल्यू है 12 plus 132. So this is the nth term. तो ये बन गया 3 प्लस 12 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 12 इंटू 3 36 636 प्लस 132 हो गया an. अब an की हम वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d. सो d इज हेयर 12. टोटल करके आ गया 2 6 8 और 3 11, 6 2 8 3 11, 4 3 7, 6 1 7, 7 7 1 इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ ए अगेन 3 प्लस n minus 1 into 12. 12 is the value of D. This is the 771 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 12. तो क्या 7 6 8 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 12. तो n minus 1 will be 7 6 8 divided by 12. तो इसको डिवाइड किया तो 7 6 64, तो n माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 64, n इज 64 प्लस 1 दैट इज 65. सो a value of n is 65 means the 65th term of this AP will be 134 more than the 54 term. The value of, so where is at 65? The answer is 65. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. तो पहले इस क्वेश्चन का मैंने आंसर लिख दिया 65 है, तो इसमें 65 टर्म जो है वो इससे 54 टर्म से ज़्यादा है. सो अब इसमें हाउ मैनी डिजिट्स आर डिविजिबल बाई 3 डिजिट नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाई 7. अब आप जानते हो कि 3 डिजिट नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं. तो 3 डिजिट नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 100 101 और ऐसे जाते जाते तो लास्ट में आएगा 3 डिजिट नंबर हो गया 999. तो ये जो नंबर हैं ऑल दीज आर 3 डिजिट नंबर. ये सभी जो है 3 डिजिट नंबर हैं. 100 से स्टार्ट हो गए 999 तक, ये सभी क्या हैं 3 डिजिट नंबर. अब हमें वो नंबर इसमें से सिलेक्ट करने हैं जो कि 7 से डिविजिबल है. तो फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर divisible by 7 is 105. क्योंकि 100 7 पे डिवाइड नहीं होता है. ऐसे यहाँ पर जाकर देखेंगे 105 जो है वो 7 पे डिवाइड होता है. ऐसे ही 999 ये 7 पे डिवाइड नहीं होता. तो 7 पे डिवाइड होने वाला लास्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर बनेगा. सो लास्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर डिविजिबल बाई 7 विल बी 994. क्योंकि इसको अगर हम 7 से डिवाइड करें तो इसमें से 5 एक्स्ट्रा बनेंगे, तो 5 इसको से माइनस करेंगे. सो दैट विल बी 994. So therefore the series will be AP will be here is 105, 112, 119 and last will be 994. So A is 105, A2 is 112, and so D will be 112 minus 105, that is 7. And the AN and the last term is 994. So we have to find the value of n here. So since AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 994, value of A is 105, n minus 1 D is 7. 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1, n minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7। तो इसमें से माइनस किया तो आ गया ये 9889 इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7। अब 7 से इसे डिवाइड करें तो n माइनस 1 विल बी 889 डिवाइड बाई 7। इसको डिवाइड किया 889 को 7 से तो आ गया 127। तो n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 127। तो वैल्यू ऑफ n विल बी 127 plus 1, that is 128. Means there are 128 numbers which are divisible by 7 lying between 100 and 999. Then is 3-digit number. The first digit number is 105 and the last digit number, 3-digit number divisible by 7 was 994. तो 105 और 994 के बीच में कितने डिजिट्स हैं, कितने नंबर हैं? 128, जो कि 7 पर डिविजिबल है। तो इस तरीके से डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव गिवन यू सॉल्यूशंस फॉर सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज अरिथमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू all to go through the video well and share the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.